Thanks for checking out my video on this Superdeker clone. This is the demo video to show you what it looks like and how the game plays. Believe it or not, internet, back in 2015, I independently thought about building something like this. Fast forward to 2018, lo and behold, I see this kid on a balance board practicing on a Superdeker. That was enough inspiration for me to make my own. This is the first video of a series in a playlist which breaks down the different components. In this particular video, we are just going to do a high-level overview of what the trainer is and how it works. There are three main physical components. You have rings, laminate flooring, and a frame. Bungees attached to the rings, and this acts as a rebounder so you can pass the puck off of them. As you can see, the bungees are pretty sturdy because I am just ripping the puck off of this thing. These are the electronic components. An Arduino controls the Hall effect sensors, which are magnet sensors, and a Raspberry Pi controls the other electronics of the main software, including the LEDs. Puck has a giant magnet on top, and when it slides over a sensor, it registers a hit, and on the bottom there are three little screws which slide amazing on the laminate flooring. There are 4 different modes of play: regular mode, speed timer mode, skills mode, and an ultimate mode. Arcade buttons were used, so you can use a hockey stick to easily select whatever options you have for the various game modes. There is also a reset button in case your dangles get disgustingly dirty and you want to restart. There's also a little buzzer which will register noises when you hit a sensor, and it counts down when you're close to finishing a game. All the modes have a high score record keeper so you can keep track of how good or bad you are. There are 8 sensors and 8 LEDs that are spread out across the play area. A little LED light show plays when you turn the game on and get a high score. And that's pretty much it. On the video with a bit of gameplay so you can see how it works. If you're interested in seeing how it's built in more detail, looking through the code and how the electronics all come together, please check out the other videos in this playlist. And if you're interested in seeing some of the other things I've built or am putting together, please check out the other videos on my channel. Thanks again for watching.